making, it's like a toasted sandwich or something like that. It's called Piada or Piadina. It's an Italian flatbread. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be making it from scratch. I happened to run into it at the store today. They have it occasionally. And it's awesome, made from scratch. I will do that in the future, I think. If the Italians are watching this, they're like, "Okay, got so far, you're using the store-bought stuff," but this is actually really good, especially for me, since it's something I haven't eaten very often for a long time. I lived in Italy 20 years ago, about 20 years ago. In a couple of years I lived in Italy in a region called Emilia-Romagna, and that's where this bread comes from. It's very old, kind of medieval food. Like I said, it looks like a tortilla, but it's not. There's variations if you go to that region of every area. They have their own version. Some is thinner and crispier, some is thicker and fluffier. And one of the things used in it that makes it a little bit unique is lard, pork lard, strutto. But yeah, it's awesome. Even store-bought stuff. It's eaten in a lot of ways. It's one of those like kind of fast foods in Italy where I lived. You know, something you can get quick for lunch or before you go out to bars or something, you would pick that up. And you can fill them with anything. I'm going to be doing a wild version today. So we picked quite a few mushrooms today. We got these nice parasol, and it's another species. I only know the word in German, so I'll have to put it later when I can look it up for the Latin name in English. Anyways, I already pre-cooked a few of these and cut them up. Anyway, actually, let's just look at the ingredients and get started on this. Meanwhile, I've got my cast iron skillet preheated because we're going to just throw it all in there. Alright, for the ingredients, you can use so many different things in these. I'm going to try something a little new on this wild theme. So we've got these parasol mushrooms we picked today that are already sauteed and cut up. This is some it's a smoked deer ham. I've got some mozzarella cheese, thin slices of tomato that they've been seasoned with salt, pepper, and basil, and a little bit of olive oil. Normally I put rucola in this, but we realized we picked the last of our rucola and we went to the store and they were all out of it. So this is just kind of what we call Feldsalat in German. I'd have to look that up. But it's a substitute. Preferably I would use rucola. Yeah, okay, so the skillet's preheated. I'm going to start warming this up before I try to fold it in half. You don't have to fold them in half. You can do a big one with two. But for this one, I'm going to fold it. So I just want to preheat it first. Once I warm one side, I'm just going to flip this. Start with the cheese. So after you've loaded it up with whatever you want, actually, these are made in so many good ways with different ingredients. You're going to fold it in half. And at a medium heat, maybe a little too high. I'm going to turn it down a little bit. So just medium is good. So after a couple flips, I'm going to go ahead into the side where I didn't have the cheese. And that's where I put in the rucola, in this case this Feldsalat. Once it's got a nice golden brown color to it, both sides, remove it. go ahead and cut it up. There you have it. Let it rest for a minute so it stops dripping from the cheese. And it's ready to eat. Actually, I can't wait. I have to taste it. Yeah. These are awesome with so many different ingredients. Just cheese and cooked ham, prosciutto cotto, or Parma ham. Oh, with like crescenza cheese or fontina cheese. Mozzarella is really good with it. But wow, with taste of that deer ham and the wild mushrooms, it's awesome. Okay, I'm gonna finish eating this. I actually have to give some to my girlfriend too. Thanks for watching.